Assalamu alaikum. First of all, it's a great privilege to have Dr. Chand Pasha. Sir is a professor in Osmania University. In fact, sir's subject is microbiology. Am I correct, sir? And in fact, sir is a placement officer also. So, since you have given time to us, thank you very much, sir. It's a privilege and honor to welcome you. What I would like to ask you is, since you are a placement officer, if you can just tell something to all our viewers, like because a lot of youngsters, I mean, I should not use the word unemployed, but they are really interested to work. So, if you can tell something, how they can get job, all those things, it will be of great support. Thank you.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank Fazil. Actually, there are so many job opportunities. Many people and media, they say that because of the COVID situation, many people have lost the job. That is true. That is one side of the coin. But companies now, after the COVID situation, the entire scenario has been shifted into digital marketing, digital platform of jobs. In fact, we are having so many jobs. In last 3 months, we have placed almost 500 candidates in various companies. Major companies, Genpact, Cognizant, Wipro, TCS, and several pharma companies. If you are good at your skills, whatever the qualification, starting from SSC to PhD, if you are good at your communication skills, then definitely we are here to place. We are here to do for Nizam College and Osmania University. But the candidates from other than the Nizam College and Osmania University are also got placed. And we are having a mega placement drive on 11th January, that is a Monday, from 10 o'clock onwards at Nizam College. If anybody are seriously looking for any job, despite of whatever the qualifications, starting from, if you are SSC, if you are having the SSC basic qualification, then we are having executive jobs with 11,000 salary. And no formal interviews will be conducted for this one. Almost 400 plus positions are available. And if you are a graduate with good communication English, so there are several jobs, like one of the major company, Regalix, we are offering where the salaries are around 30,000 to 50,000. And apart from that, we are having the same day, 11th, we are having other companies also, like Reliance, Regalix, Cognizant, Genpact, and Wipro, and Q Connect. So several companies are there. So I request youngsters, unemployed youth, to make use of this platform on 11th January. Do come to the Nizam College and make use of this mega drive and get fulfilled your the dream of good job.
That's the great thing, Dr. Chand Pasha. What I would like to ask you is, I mean, this is, you have taken the initiative or who else? Because a lot of candidates, what they feel is, like, don't mistake me, like, there are people who say that there are jobs like that. So I wanted, like, I mean, once they get selected, all this ESI, PF, all the offer letter, everything will be done.
Yeah. Sure. Actually, different rounds, based on the company, different rounds of selections are there. At our place, if it is a pharma company, almost because HRs are coming over here, complete placement order will be given in Nizam College itself. Whereas some companies, they will be having 3 rounds of selection. Initial screening, then UNCAST online assessment test, then HR and managerial selections. So almost finalization at our end, HR level interviews will be completed, and one like salary discussion and final managerial discussion will be there with the company. With the formal things, if you are, see, what I can conclude is, if you are good at your communication skills, whatever your qualification, BTech, MBA, or whatever may be, definitely will help you for getting appropriate job position.
Thank you. What I want to ask is, you were talking about this, I mean, those who have done graduate and engineering, all those things, you've got job for them, that's fair enough. But what about 10th, 12th, if at all they, sometimes, I mean, maybe they don't have that communication, or maybe if they are not good at English, do you think those candidates are also eligible, and do you have that opportunity here?
Yes, actually for graduates only, we are looking for communication skills. For SSC intermediate, actually no formal interview will be there for them. Just if they are good enough, just reading the barcode, if they can do the billing, and even in the pharma, with SSC and intermediate based, we are having jobs. Almost it is a permanent job kind of thing. There they will be getting all the opportunities. Communication skills may not be required for the candidates with SSC and intermediate. Just if they can understand, if they can read the barcode, numbers, and the basic billing things, kind of things, if they can do, that is quite enough.
Fantastic. That means what Dr. Chand Pasha is concluding is he's got a lot of, HRs who are willing to recruit. The only thing is that he wants right candidates. And the point what I asked her about education, what he told is if at all they are 10 plus 12 also, there are some opportunities. If they are good in English for graduate, there are also opportunities. The fact is on 11th Jan, they are organizing the best of the best job Mela, if I use the word correct. And in fact, a lot of HRs are expected. Close to 8 to 10 companies are expected. Out of that, 2 companies, they've got, maximum opportunities. So what will be the timings?
It starts from 10 in the morning. So based on the number of candidates, it will progress. So till the complete interviews will finish, probably let's hope by 5 or 6 it will be finished.
So do you think that if a candidate comes morning and if he gets all his required, like maybe PAN card, Aadhaar card, his photos, his resume, everything, if he gets selected, probably by evening they can get an offer letter?
Like a few companies will do, offer letter will be issued on the same day. Here, whatever, the executives for SSC and intermediate people, if they comes with PAN card, Aadhaar card, account number, and with these basic details, as I told you, there is no formal interview for them. Directly, the data will be collected on the same day or next day, their job ID will be issued.
Fantastic. And what about the location? Is there any specific location?
It is a sanitary block. Here, sanitary auditorium in Nizam College, sanitary block auditorium. This is the place where we can accommodate up to 500 members. So we'll be having the place, and because of the COVID situation, I request you do follow the COVID conditions, wearing a mask and carrying your own water bottle and sanitizers. That will help yourself and the other colleagues also.
Fantastic. That was Dr. Chand Pasha. Excellently, what he has mentioned very clearly, very explicitly, what he want to conclude is on 11th Jan, inshallah ta'ala, there will be a big drive. A lot of companies are expected, and he's got a great philanthropist thought. What he wants is not only his college, Nizam College, he's talking about the entire fraternity of the young students. If they are willing, they are more than welcome. That was Dr. Chand Pasha.